In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save courses on Coursera, a valuable skill for anyone looking to make the most of their learning journey. Whether you're part of a learning program sponsored by an institution or simply exploring courses individually, knowing how to save courses will help streamline your learning experience. Imagine stumbling upon an interesting course but not being quite ready to dive in. Having an organized method to save these courses for later makes revisiting them a breeze. Let's delve into this process for both types of users. For those of you who are part of a learning program sponsored by an institution or a company, saving courses is pretty straightforward. When you view a course page that piques your interest, keep an eye out for the Save or heart icon. Clicking this icon will add the course to a special section under your specific learning program's dashboard on Coursera. This method keeps your courses neatly organized, allowing you to easily return to them whenever you're ready to start learning. Remember, these saved courses are safely tucked away and easily accessible whenever you log into your sponsored learning account. However, what if you're not part of a sponsored learning program? Don't worry, there's a simple workaround for you. It starts with going to the course page of any course that catches your eye. Once you're there, direct your attention to the browser's address bar and copy the course URL. This URL is essentially the digital address of the course, guiding you back to it whenever desired. With the URL copied, the next step is to open a separate document, like a trusty text file or a spreadsheet. Once you have your document set up, paste both the course name and its URL into it. This practice helps you create a personal list of saved courses, acting as your very own customized learning library. Creating this list is more than just saving links. It's about building a resource that aligns with your learning goals. Whenever you feel the urge to dive into a new subject or enhance your skills, return to your list. With a simple click on the course link, you'll be directed back to the course page where you can enroll and start your new learning adventure. By maintaining this document, you're ensuring quick access and a streamlined pathway to the courses you've curated for yourself. While this method requires a bit more manual effort compared to the built-in saving feature available to sponsored users, it offers flexibility and control over your learning pathway. In conclusion, whether you're part of a sponsored learning program or an individual learner, having a method to save courses allows you to engage with content on your own terms. With these steps in mind, you're ready to embark on a more organized and efficient learning journey with Coursera. So go ahead, start saving those courses, and happy learning.